Welcome to DAP. My name is Veena Prashant. Today I'm excited to share with you an amazing feature we have added to DAP's built-in LMS feature. Now, DAP is a membership and LMS plugin for WordPress. You can use DAP for your products, courses, memberships, everything. So we have made an awesome update to the DAP's built-in course LMS feature, which will allow you to easily manage the lessons that you create using DAP. Now, DAP has three different ways in which you can create your courses. The first way is you can use WordPress for content. You can create all your lessons directly in WordPress under pages. You can create pages in WordPress for your lessons. This will allow you to have all the flexibility you want in terms of formatting, however you want your lesson layout. You can do all of that. You can create your lessons, make it look however you want it to look, and then you can just make it part of the course in DAP. That's one way. Another way is where you use DAP's built-in template. This is the way we recommend because it's really easy to use it. And also it's going to look amazing because you don't have to figure out a layout or format for your lessons. It's all going to be managed by DAP for you. So that's the one I use typically for my courses. And we have made an update related to this one now. This is going to make it so easy for you to manage the lessons that you create using DAP's built-in template. We have another way where you can still use DAP's built-in template, but you can use your editor. Rather than use DAP's editor for creating your lesson content, you can use your page builders. So if you like using a specific page builder like Thrive Architect, Divi, Elementor, you can use it because you can use DAP's template, which means you still don't have to figure out a layout for your lessons. DAP will manage it for you. But as far as editing the lessons and using specific elements that comes with your page builder, you can do it. This one is option number 3. So there are 3 different ways you can create your courses in DAP. So the update we have made is related to option number 2 because one of the problems with this option was DAP would create the lessons, but it would all be under pages in WordPress, which means it used to crowd your WordPress pages. So all the lessons that DAP creates for the course built using DAP's built-in template, it all used to be under WordPress pages. So now what we have done is moved all of these lessons under custom posts created under DAP Lessons. And what I want to do now is install this latest update, and I want to show you how this will now move the lessons from the default under pages, right? It will move the lessons, everything that was previously under DAP pages is going to move it now to DAP Lessons. It's going to show you a pop-up, and it's just going to be one time. You have to click the button in the pop-up just one time. It's going to ask you, are you ready to move all the lessons from pages to DAP Lessons? And you just have to say yes, and it will move it. Just wait for it to complete the process, and once it's done, it's going to move all the lessons over to DAP Lessons. That's it. Even existing courses is going to move that as well. So you don't have to worry about, this taking effect only for new courses and what happens to existing courses. You don't have to worry about that because DAP will take care of it. Also, it's going to migrate your existing courses over to this new format and it's not going to affect anything else. All right, so this is my membership site challenge site. So I use DAP's built-in template, which is option number 2 for all of my courses and challenges because it looks great. And I don't have to figure out a format, layout, everything looks amazing. So that's why I use it. However, currently, all the lessons that I have created that are part of my courses and challenges, they are all in WordPress. They are all in WordPress pages. And it's just messing up my WordPress page situation, right? I don't want to see all these pages here. So before I upgrade, I want to show you this. So under pages, you can see this is one of my challenges, 14-day membership site challenge. And you can see these are the lessons under it. These are all under WordPress pages. Now, when you use DAP's built-in template, it just creates these lessons in WordPress. The actual content is going to be all in DAP, but it just creates these pages. It needs these URLs for the lesson pages. That's why it creates it. So the content is not going to be here. All it is going to be like a short code. If you edit any of these that DAP creates for you, you will see all it is like a short code. The actual content is going to be in DAP. So you do need to edit your lessons inside of DAP, but it just uses these pages as placeholders so that there is a lesson URL for your lessons. That's why it creates these pages in WordPress, all right? So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to upgrade this site, and I'll show you how all of this is going to move over to a DAP Lessons menu. So I'm going to go ahead and use the DAP Easy Installer to upgrade my site to DAP version 26, and you can upgrade to version 26 or above, because we are going to be releasing new versions. So you can upgrade to any version, but the minimum is DAP version 26 if you want to use this feature. All right, you can see I was on an older version. I'm going to go ahead and upgrade now. Proceed with update. And when you use the Easy Installer or you directly update in DAP, you're going to see this message. All right, so the upgrade is complete. So the next thing is you got to edit any one of your courses. It doesn't matter which course you pick, just pick one course and edit this. And you're going to see a message that says, are you ready to migrate? And just say yes, and it's going to migrate over all of your courses. You don't have to do it course by course, just pick any one course and it will complete the process for you. So I'm going to pick this one. I'm going to click on edit. Right, you can see this is the message migrate courses. With this new release, we have moved all the lessons under DAP Lessons menu in WordPress. This is a much better experience because DAP Lessons will no longer crowd the WordPress pages and you can easily find your lessons. Just click the button to complete this simple migration. So I'm going to go ahead and click on it. And I'm doing it live. I had not tried this before on this site. That's it, it's done. It says, congrats, we have successfully completed the migration. You can continue working on this course now. So now let's go over to DAP Lessons and it should all be here. All right, you can see there are 14 pages here now and all the lessons should be here. Let's go ahead and search for it. Here you can see select course. You can easily find your courses now and all the lessons. Yes, everything is here. Select first one, filter. It should now show me all the lessons that are part of this course. And yes, it's all here. It's all out of WordPress pages and it's all moved here. The dates are still intact, same dates it was created on, but everything is here now. And if you check the front end, let's go ahead and check the front end of any one of these. Let's pick this one. It should continue to work the same way as it did before. So I just did this in front of you, right? I just upgraded my site to the latest version of DAP, click the button. You just have to edit any one of your courses. Like I said, you don't have to edit all the courses, just pick any one and click the button that says complete the migration and go for it. And it will move all the lessons from WordPress pages over to this custom list under DAP Lessons, and everything will continue to work, right? You will not lose any data. You're not going to lose your lessons or stats or anything like that. Also, the URL that your users see, that's also not going to change. Everything will continue to work the same way as it did before, except it just makes it easier for you now to organize and find your lessons, and it's no longer going to mess up your WordPress pages. I hope this was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. My name is Veena Prashant. And be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you have not done so already. This way you'll be the first to know when I publish new videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye for now.